Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, I just want to recap what we have done in one of my videos, but I did not finish it all. So I want to break it down. Please pay attention. Please, I want you to like and share. It's okay. Let's go. Here is the question. Question says, find the arc length of the curve x equals to t squared, y equals to t raised to the power 3 from t equals to 0 to t equals to 4. So I'm going to explain this one after the other. At first, when you come across functions like this, note that these are parametric functions. Is that clear? Which you were taught how to differentiate parametric functions. You know, parametric functions are always in the form x equals to t squared and y is equals to t raised to the power of 3. Then the formula, the y all over the x, is going to be the y all over the t divides the x all over the t. Is that clear? So now they said the arc length of the curve, and here we have the interval running from 0 to 4. Is that clear? So the formula how to find the length arc is given as r is equals to integral t1 to t2, then square root of the x all over the t all in bracket square plus the y all over the t all in bracket square times the t. This is the formula if you are asked to find the arc length, as long as differentiation is concerned. So this is what you are going to use to obtain the arc length. But at first, how can we obtain the arc length? It means we have to differentiate these functions with respect to t, differentiate y with respect to what? T. Then we can now get we substitute in here to obtain our arc length. So let's differentiate. If we differentiate this, that is the x all over the t. If you differentiate t squared, we are going to have 2t. Then if you differentiate the y all over the t, this is going to give us 3t raised to the power what? 2. True or false? Hope you are following. Yeah. So if you can see what I am saying, it is not difficult. So this means that our parametric function, the gradient will now be the y all over the x is equals to what? Dy all over the t divide the x all over the t. So where is our dy? This is 3t square all over the x all over the t, 2t, right? Then now we have dx all over the t all in square. So let us find it. That is, if we have dx all over the t all in square, then this is the true of course. This means t all in bracket square, right? True of course. So this implies that 2t times 2t, which is equals to 4t squared. That is, we have obtained this. let's obtain this. Here is dy all over dt all in square, which is equals to 3t square all in bracket raised to power 2, true or false. So this implies that this is 3t square times 3t square. 3 times 3, 9, right? Then t square times t square is t raised to the powers of 4. True or false? Is that clear? Look at the board. Any question, please? Do you have any question? Yes or no? It's okay. So we can proceed, right? Okay. So if you agree with me here, if you agree with me, we have to substitute in. Then our T1 to T2 is what? T1 is given as where T1 is given as 0 and T2, amen, is given as what? 4, right? Okay. So if you can see what I am saying, we now substitute this into this integral, even this, right? So the arc length, integral 0 to what? 4, right? Then open bracket 4t square plus 9t raised to power 4 d what? dt, right? Okay. Yeah. This is how the integral will be. So now let us, if you can see what I am saying. Sorry, I want to forget about the square. Yeah, square root. The square root is very important. Okay, so I can clean here, right? It's okay. So far, so good. So this implies that I want to do mathematics. Look at it. If we have 90 raised to the powers of 2 plus 90 raised to the powers of 4, amen. Yeah, it means this is the same thing as 4t square open bracket 1 plus 90 raised to the power 4, raised to the power 2 all over 4. Look at the board, please. Look at the board. Look at the board very well. It means if you use this to multiply this, you get this. You use this to multiply this, you still get back this. True or false? Okay, so in the integral, inside the integral, this is what we are going to have. 4t square, open bracket 1 plus 9t square all over what? 4. Then square root of it, then the t. True or false? It's true, right? Okay. So far so good. You don't need a prophet to tell you. So when we have, look at what I want to do. Okay. Open bracket, let's just say 1 plus let's say 1 plus 9t square all over 4 all in square root. This is the same thing as square root of a square times square root of open bracket 1 plus 9t square all over 4. True or false? So if you agree with me, I'm going to break it down. if you agree with me, this implies that this is the same thing as integral 0 to 4 square root of 4t square times square root of 1 plus 9t square all over 4, right? All in brackets dt. Then this is the same thing as this is going to give us square root of 0, integral 0 to 4. When we take the square root of this, we are going to have 2t, then times square root of 1 plus 9t square all over 4. Then all in bracket dt. True or false? It's true. So far so good. So this means that if you can see what I am saying, yeah, if you can see what I am saying, look at the board. Everybody should look at the board. Everybody should look at the board. If you can see what I am saying, okay. This I want to redefine this. This is the same thing as 4 all over 9 open bracket 9 all over 90 all over 2. Amen. I'm trying to simplify 2t. So it means this and this will go. Yeah. This to this 2. So this is going to give us 2t. Right? It's okay. So if you can see what I am saying, this is the same thing as, I'm trying to simplify this. So this is the same thing as factor it out. 4 all over 9 integral 0 to 4. Then you know when we have something of this form, square root of a, this is the same thing as a raised to the power of 1 all over 2. True or false? So 1 plus 9t square all over 4 close bracket raised to the power of 1 all over 2 times 90 all over 2, right? The what? The t. It means this is the same thing as this. Look at the board very well. So if you agree with me, this implies that we can integrate this function using substitution. So at this point, hold this one constant. At this point, we are going to integrate this function using substitution. So we now write using substitution method. Amen. Although I have not taught you integration, it will be there. Is that clear? Or you can learn from this. So we can now say let let u equals to what is inside there, 1 plus 9t square all over 4. So at this point we are going to integrate, differentiate this. So when we differentiate the u all over the t, this will going to give us 2 times 9t square all over 4, because this is 0, right? So this to this is the same thing as what? 9t square all over 2. True or false? So our du all over dt is equals to 9t square all over 2. Then make dt and this is the subject of the formula. So by the time you take this to multiply this, because this is how it is, look at it here. So make this one the subject of the formula. So if you do that, it means this will now be du is equals to 9t squared all over 2 dt. True or false? It means this is equals to. So inside this integral, we are able to substitute in. So inside this integral, here means du. Take note. Then this bracket, inside this bracket is what? Your u. But mind you, we have raised to power what? 1 all over 2. So this will now be equals to 4 all over 9 integral 0 to 4. Then instead of 1 plus this, you write u, but it is raised to power what? 1 all over 2 times, instead of 90 all over 2 dt, we write this, look at it, du. So times du. Is that clear? Are you following? Yeah. Are you following? It's okay. So if you can see what I am saying here, mind you, this is a good question you will say. So this is equals to, we hold this one 4 all over is a constant. Then integrate this. When we integrate this, we are going to have u raised to the power of 1 all over 2 plus 1 all over 1 all over 2 plus 1. Then at 0 to 4, right? Okay. Yeah. So far, so good. So far, so good. Let me take it from here. Yeah. Okay. So here now will now be 4 all over 9 times, when you take LCM of 2 plus 1 is 2, right? 2 to 2, 1. Plus 2 to 1, 2 times 1, 2. This is 3 all over what? 2, right? So here will be u raised to the power of 3 all over 2 all over 3 all over 2 at 0 to 4, right? Then if you can see what I am saying, if we have a all over 3 all over 2, this is the same thing as a divide 3 all over 2, right? Yeah. So this is equals to, this is, we convert this one to multiplication, here will be 2 all over 3, right? Hope I'm right. True or false? Look at the board. So it means here, this is the same thing as 4 all over 9 times 3u raised to the power of 3 all over 2. 2 all over 3 at 0 to 4. Yeah, but you said let u be equals to this, right? So instead of u, we now substitute back the original function. So here will be equals to 4 all over 9 times 2 all over 3, open bracket, 1 plus 9t squared all over 4 at 0 to 4. So this means that subtract the lower limit from where? The upper limit. So here is 0. So it means what we need to do here, anywhere we see t, we substitute in 4. Here we now 4 all over 9 times 2 all over 3 open bracket 1 plus 9 open bracket. Anyway you see t, you write 4, but t is raised to power 2 all over 4 close bracket. Is that clear? Then minus, because if you minus okay, since let's make this one minus the lower limit, that is open bracket 1 plus 9 open bracket 0. Anyway you see t is 0 raised to power 2 all over 4 all in. Yeah. So if you can see what I am saying, here we now 4 all over 9 times 2 all over 3 on the bracket. Here we are going to have what? Here 4 raised to 16 divided 4 is 4. 4 times 9. 36. So here will be 1 plus 36. Then minus here will be 0. 2 of us. There will be 0, right? So remember 1. There will be 1. So if you can see what I am saying, can I clean this part? Can clean this part, right? Breaking it down for you. So if you can see what I am saying, it's simple as ABC. So here already this one and this one will cancel. Here will be 36, right? Yeah, here will be 36. So we are going to have 4 equals 4 all over 9 dots 2 all over 3 open bracket 36. Yeah. So if you can see what I am saying, this is equals to let's just say 3 to this is 12, right? 3 to 12, 4 to this 3, right? So here we are going to have what? 4 dot times 2 times 4 all over 3. This is equals to what? 16 times 2 is 32, right? 32 all over 3. I think I'm right. Oh. Sorry, we have made a mistake. Sorry. We've forgotten. I want to let go of the u raised to the power of 3 all over 2. Yeah. Please take note. Mix up somewhere. Please, let's go back here. We just substituted for u, but u is raised to the powers of 3 all over what? 2, right? So at 0 to 4. Okay. So if that is the case, here is going to be 4 all over 9 2 all over 3 open bracket. Sorry about that. That is mathematics for you. 1 plus anyway you see that 9 times 4, right? 4, right? 4 raised to the power of 2 all over 4, close bracket, raised to the power of 3 all over 2, then minus the same thing, but let's put this in bracket, 1 plus 9, 0 raised to the power of 2, all over 4, all in bracket, raised to the power of 3, all over 2. Yeah. Can you see now? Oh, you are not a math student? So which country are you watching from? Which country are you watching from? Okay. So let's break it down. Yeah, okay, let's just multiply this times this 8. 8 all over 27, right? This is equals to 8 all over 27. Open bracket 1 plus 36, right? 36 close bracket, raised to the power of what? True or false? Then minus here will be 0, 1 raised to the power of. I think you understand what I am doing there. Yeah. So if you can see what I am saying, here will be equals to 8 all over 27. Open by this plus this is 37 all in bracket raised to the power of 3 all over 2. Then this is the same thing as 1, true or false. So the final answer will be 8 all over 27, open bracket, square root of 37. Yeah, 37, right? If I'm not mistaken. Square root of 37 all in bracket raised to power what? 3 minus 1. Yeah. So far so good. This is how you are going to evaluate this question. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Thank you for your time. We are going to call it a day. Love you guys. Bye. Yeah, please like, comment and share.